So I hope everyone has seen our new branding under the Babco Energies family. It's a fantastic new logo, a new image, and really intended to convey the sense of the future of the company, not only as an oil and gas company, but also as a future energy company. So we're really excited about it. What we have done so far is take what was a group of 15 very independent companies, consolidated them under one brand in 4 new companies, an upstream company, a refining company, a retail company where you buy your petrol, and a gas company. This is where we produce LPGs for market. So those are the 4 existing companies that we've consolidated into. And they're very excited about 3 new companies that we're forming that will come live in 2024. A trading company where we'll be actually trading petroleum products made by the Babco refining company. We'll also be making significant investments in more sustainable energy. So we've got a sustainable investments company where we'll be looking at things like carbon capture and storage, hydrogen, solar power. And then of course, we've got a venture company. And this is something new for us, where we'll be investing in small startup companies that have new ideas, new technologies that can come to our sector and help us become more efficient, more effective in the energy transition. We actually are very fortunate that we've recently had 2 very good experiences in the equity and in the debt market, where we refinanced our Murrabaha facility from $1.6 billion to $2.2 billion. And the uptake on that refinancing was tremendous. Secondly, we just went to the market with $750 million of new bonds, and it was oversubscribed by a factor of 4 to 5. And so in terms of available financing for our sector, it seems like there's no shortage. The interest rates, of course, are higher now than they were a few years ago, but that's just the way the market is. In terms of any kind of differential between financing for our sector versus others, we actually are finding financing to be quite attractive for us, no shortage, so that's a good thing. We did have, a few years ago, as an oil and gas company, it was a little difficult to attract banks for financing because we had people saying we shouldn't be investing in oil and gas. Today, actually, I think with the energy transition and the realizing of how important energy security is and that oil and gas will play a role in the energy transition, funding is more available today. We're always looking at our portfolio. As I said, we've consolidated the companies, and so we're looking at how can we optimize our capital, of course. And so we always look at the portfolio. There are options where we might want to decapitalize, have some strategic investors come in jointly with us, maybe IPO certain assets, maybe look at what Saudi and what UAE have done in some of their infrastructure assets, and looking for other investors in those assets. So we're looking at it. We haven't made up any decisions yet. It's something we're constantly looking at. And I think you'll hear some news from us in 2024 around some plans that we have for looking at decapitalization.